Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Jennifer Marie Vio, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below. Every week I publish new videos teaching you how to make money online or how to make money as a freelancer. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own green screen for under $5. You can see behind me that this here is a green screen which I created with materials from the dollar store. To assemble this whole thing cost me less than $5, and using a green screen is great for so many things. For your YouTube videos, if you want to sell your services on Fiverr as a spokesperson, for example, if you just want to create fun videos with your friends or your kids. And when you have a green screen, you can use video editing software to turn this into this, or even this. Ooh. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own green screen, show you what exactly I did to create this look, and in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use free video editing software to key out or remove all the green and replace it with your own background, all completely free. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to create your own green screen is green poster boards. You can use any shade of green, but I think it's best to choose bright green. When we use video editing software, we will basically be telling the software to make any pixels matching that shade of green to become transparent. So choosing a bright shade of green makes that easier to do. For my green screen, I bought 6 different poster boards. If you can't find any poster boards at the dollar store or craft store near you, you could also use smaller pieces of green cardstock paper. You may want to purchase more poster boards depending on how big you want to make your green screen. I just went with 6 poster boards, which cost me 75 cents each, so a total of $4.50. The dimensions of each of my poster boards are around 50 by 65 centimeters or 20 by 25 inches. Again, you can make the green screen as long or wide as you please, depending on if you just want your subject to be up close in the frame or more of a full body shot. Next, you'll need to find a blank wall in your house and find some clear sellotape or sticky tack. I used white sticky tack from the dollar store and attached little dots behind all the corners of the green poster board and then stuck it to the wall. I did this for each of the poster boards, making sure to overlap the green so the color of the wall won't peek through. Now, I could have done a better job of this, as you want the green screen to be as smooth as possible so it looks like one solid color. You can see mine has dark patches and some shadows and unevenness, but I was still able to get a good result even without a perfect green screen. You could also tape the backs of all the green poster boards together so it is more smooth and then attach it to the wall. But I wanted something that would be easier to take down and store when I'm done using it. Then set up your mobile phone or camera on a tripod or on a shelf, and make sure that you have the green screen completely in frame and that your camera isn't picking up any other background other than the green screen. For lighting, I used a ring light on my tripod. However, this is not necessary. Just try to film in a bright place so the light will hit evenly across the entire green screen. You want the light to be behind the camera, so try to use a wall in your home that is in a brightly lit area or near a window with natural daylight. If not, you can use any other lights in your home and position them so they are shining on the green screen from behind your camera or from both sides. And now you're ready to start shooting. Again, you can see my green screen was not perfect at all and had many flaws and unevenness, but I did this intentionally because I want to show you that you don't have to have a perfect green screen to still get a good result and make all the green parts transparent, even with some of the shadows. To avoid the shadow of the body casting on the green screen, just step forward a little bit. If you want your green screen to remain on the wall permanently, I suggest you take more time to tape or glue the backs of the green poster boards together so it is perfectly smooth. And once you have your green screen footage recorded, you can use most video editors with a chroma key feature to remove the green and replace it with your own background. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this completely for free using a free video editor that also has a chroma key feature. And I'm going to use the sample footage from this video to show you that you don't need a perfect green screen to get the results you want. Okay everybody, that's it for my tutorial on how to create your own green screen for under $5. I'm really looking forward to hearing in the comments section if you've tried this and how your success was. And let us know what exactly you're using green screen footage for, whether it's for promotional videos for clients, for your own YouTube or TikTok videos, or any other ideas that you have in mind. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly what free video editing software you can use to remove the background and replace it with your own. So see you in my next video.